Eng042L, a lightweight drone made mainly in aluminum and carbon fiber, with vision for low light conditions, and especially the integrated EDM or electronic distance meter used for determining the length between 2 points, along with latest sensor technology for stable and level flight to provide accurate measurement for site construction.
How is it possible that a simple drone can do computation? We all know that doing computations is crucial. I remember one time when we were constructing the Shangri-La Level 12, it took us weeks just to gather the information and do the computations needed. It was so hassle and time-consuming.
Well, the drone works the same way as a total station, which is a surveying equipment. During flight, using different sensors, the program works its way to stabilize and level the site. The electronic distance meter integrated to the drone emits laser coming from the rotatable lens to be controlled by the transmitter and point out to a placed reflector guided by the transmitter's monitor.
Moreover, the laser wave returned by the reflector to the drone will be analyzed by the program, and all the data collected will be stored to the internal storage. The transmitter's program will ask for the first reading, which will serve as the reference point, and the succeeding readings will be used for the activity. Data that will retrieve during the activity are the length from the drone to the reflector, along with its horizontal and vertical angles.
All the work done can be retrieved wirelessly through computer or smartphone, or by direct retrieval through connection of USB.
Wow, I'm really impressed by the features of the drone, but I'm a little bit worried about the connection. We all know that the internet connection in the Philippines is very slow, and there is a limited range with regards to the distance of the connection. I remember when I was on the construction site and my boss wants to see the progress regarding construction. I have a good news for you. We were on the Skype and suddenly the internet connection starts to drop. I almost terminated as the contractor because it became so bad. And also, I have a drone in our house, but it cannot fly when there were too many barriers on the location. Letting the drone to explore different floors while the operator remains in his position seems impossible. How can we deal with those kind of problems?
There are a lot of factors that affect the range of the flight of the drone, such as the position of antenna within the drone, the frequency being used, interference, obstacle, and a lot more. But in this drone, connectivity will never be a problem because we have already installed a 16 decibel antenna with signal amplifier for the transmitter.
And for comparison, a typical Wi-Fi router has only 3 to 4 decibels with maximum range of 32 meters. But in this drone, a 16 decibel antenna can accommodate range up to 2 kilometers. That is enough for site construction.
Okay, I have to be honest with you. I am really impressed by your presentation. But my question is, how durable your drone is? How can it withstand the strong winds? We have an ongoing project in Ilocos Norte, and it is a struggle for us to work because of the strong winds. All our papers flew away. That is why it is also hard for us to record the data and do computations. In addition, construction sites can have many debris falling, and we all know drone doesn't have a hard hat, and most probably it can cause the drone to fall.
Worry not, because the 5-1 hexacopter SURB-991 has the latest sensor technology to provide a stable and level flight. During determination of distance and angle, the accelerometer and gyroscope will automatically measure the difference from its initial location once the program in the drone detects that the transmitter's controller becomes idle or set to a specific location. Using the difference in movement, the program will then calculate the force needed for the drone to counteract the force coming from the strong wind.
And finally, the amount of force calculated to counteract the strong wind will then applied and exerted by the propeller and the drone reaching its equilibrium. Moreover, the drone can withstand a strong wind with 50 km speed since its maximum velocity can reach up to 60 km per hour. In behalf of RGM Incorporated,
Thank you for listening to our business proposal.
Congratulations, Mr. Rosario. Congratulations, Ms. Cruz. We were so impressed by your presentation, and indeed, both of you is an asset of our company. But I think we have a problem. How should we advertise our product?
No one should worry because I am already prepared for it.
So, is it a deal?
What should we say? We are greatly impressed, so I think it's a yes.
Thank you for the deal. Thank you for the deal. Thank you for the deal.